Are you fit? Looking very fit.
I don't feel very fit.
No.
I feel old.
Oh, honey, don't be like that.
I think I'm finally at this stage where I'm old.
How old are you?
I used to say 27, but I think I've got to be honest now and say 45.
Do.
I'm old. I'm really old. I feel old. I look old.
Give 'em.
I just want a chair with wheels on it.
Honey, don't say that. You should count yourself lucky you have legs, shouldn't you? Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Right, let's go shopping. Let's get those legs walking.
Yay.
Let's go shopping. Yay, that's the spirit. He's moaning because he's got to even give him a quid for the trolley this morning.
Yeah, but you know why?
Why?
It's this one here, look. This is what we're getting. It's £1. It costs
Yeah.
£1. Big ones are £1, same price. These should be 50p. I know you get your money back at end, but they should be 50p.
Come on, Lynn. God, he's acting old today, isn't he?
Right, then there, look. They've got seats on them. They're still £1.
Come on, you! He's a nightmare to feed, guys, honestly.
Don't bring me to a supermarket at 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm never hungry at 9 o'clock in the morning.
Well, we had to go before we set off on our wonderful day today. So we've got our tea.
Yeah.
Let's show them what we got.
Chicken steaks, 4 for about £1.60.
Yeah.
And that'll do us both.
Yeah. And some lettuce.
Bit of lettuce for you. Sorted.
Yeah. We can't get too much, can we, with the fridge broken, so it's a nightmare.
Right, I'm happy with that, £1.60 and a bit of salad.
Yeah, let's go and get some milk and we're done. So I've just got some coffee white now, haven't I?
Yeah, it costs more money than the chicken steaks.
Yeah, but with the way our fridge is at the moment, guys, I'm having to, like this morning, I had to have a black coffee, which doesn't make me happy in the mornings, does it, babe?
Well, it should, 'cause I have black coffee and it's lovely.
Yeah, but I don't. I like to have a white coffee. Anyway, let's go and get some Coke.
Yeah, that's why. Get them again. Not giving again.
Are you embarrassed, babe?
Why?
Because I'm in my slippers. And my slipper
As
socks.
long as I look great, I'm not bothered.
I look fantastic. Where are we off to?
I've absolutely no idea because you've got my phone and that's got me map on it.
I don't mean literal directions, but what's planned?
We're not going far actually. We're in Loughborough.
Yeah.
Not the best place to park in a motorhome. But I think I've found somewhere where we can park and magnet fish.
Yay!
Just on the edge of town, so quite excited about this one. It looks like a proper canal-y bit with a bridge. I think we're going to like it here.
So if they want to see that, they'll have to get over to your other channel, won't
Yeah,
they?
they'll have to go onto the Deep Digger Dan channel because you won't see it on here.
Yeah, but we'll keep vlogging.
I can't get out.
Oh no!
I just realised I've been blocked in by these two cars.
Oh.
Man.
So there has been one bonus from not having a fridge, hasn't there?
We don't use much gas.
Yeah!
As gas has just gone today, and it must have lasted nearly 2 months.
I'd say getting on free. I'll be honest, I think it's been nearly 3 months.
Whereas when we have the fridge on all the time, it lasts
3 or 4 days.
no, a week.
Yeah, but that's still... So that's been amazing expense off our pockets, hasn't it?
Yeah, so even if we get the fridge fixed, we've decided we're going to be very frugal with the fridge.
Yeah.
Especially in winter, we're not going to need it on most of the time.
Yeah.
I think overnight we'll have it off. That came out wrong, didn't it?
Yeah, just... the filth out of your mouth.
Over winter, I think we'll turn the fridge off at night, just to save on gas. Use it as little as possible because the temperature at night will be like 3 degrees anyway.
Yeah.
You don't need a fridge on.
And even when it's come to washing, we've not even had to heat up the water, have we? Because it's been nice to have a bit of cold water as well.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's been a good thing from it anyway, hasn't there?
Certainly has.
Good on the old pocket, hey, babe?
There's no in the pocket to be good on, to be honest.
Finished?
Just about. It's another picture we've sold on Etsy. It's your wedding day one. You know, the one we auctioned off but nobody wanted it.
Yeah, I know.
Tina's bought it. Thank you very much, Tina. We'll
Thank
post
you,
that out
Tina.
today for you.
Yeah.
If anyone still wants any of our art. I think we've got about 6 left. We haven't got many left now. Go to the Etsy shop. There's a link in the description. And all orders are greatly appreciated.
Yeah, I'm sure we'll get round to making some new ones soon, won't we? When we...
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
You're looking smart.
Smug.
Yeah. Or happy.
I'm just about to do a job which you've asked me to do
I know.
in the kitchen.
Oh dear.
Yeah, you asked me to get a screwdriver out. I don't know how you knew what tools I'd need for this job. But hey, I've got to put one of these back on and retighten them because it's all coming loose.
Yeah. Thank you. It
So-
doesn't need Gorilla Tape.
I can't find my Gorilla Tape. That's another video
Oh,
for
thank
another
God.
day. So yeah, just leave it to me. I'll sort this out. All I need to do is make a screwdriver. I'm having trouble making a screwdriver. Does anyone else have this problem? You know, you have different sizes and you put them in and then they get stuck and you can't get them out. It happens to me every time and I don't know why or how. And they're so hard to get out.
Get these as well, look, and then you can...
I know what I'm doing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get these out as well. And then I can grip the other side with that. So I'll grip that there. And that there. No, it won't grip. Won't grip.
Yeah, well, if you pull it down the tube, silly.
Oh, well, what I'm going to do then, instead, I'll grip it there.
Yeah.
And I'll put that down the tube there.
Yeah. Oh dear God.
I nearly rung AA then. But I managed to sort it out. Look at me. Make a screwdriver now and fix this. Do this job for you.
Thank you.
So that was loose there. The secret with this is not to do it too far, otherwise it's not doing out, Mazzy.
Okay.
It's not screwing. It's not working.
Okay, well that'll do. That'll do. Please don't. Try the others.
None of them are really doing out good.
At least you tried.
It's the way it's designed. I've lost one now. I can't get it out.
Oh my goodness.
Oh. It's not my fault though, it's just where
Oh, please don't break.
I've done that different to others.
It's fine. It's fine. Well done. Thank you.
Yeah, but I haven't done it right.
Why?
I need to get this bit out and get some Gorilla Glue on it or something.
No, it's fine.
Are you happy with that?
Yeah. Thank you.
It's alright, I fixed
Right,
that for
put
you.
your tools away.
I can't because that's stuck in there again.
Oh.
See what I mean? Other people must have this problem. Why does it happen? Am I doing it wrong? I doubt it. So you don't have to call the AA out every time you get things stuck in your toolbox. Just persist with it. And if you're a professional, you'll manage to sort it out.
Well, you fixed it, so thank you.
You're very welcome. Anything else need fixing while I'm at it?
Absolutely not.
No?
No, thank you.
So we're having a national cleaning day.
Spring clean.
Spring clean, and you've asked me to do a certain job, haven't you?
Well, yeah. You don't have to.
I've got to put all these sticks back into these, but you don't even want the sticks. You're going to throw them away?
Yeah, because I don't want them to piece through the bin bags, that's why. It's a good theory.
It's a big job just to throw them away. If you get some Gorilla Tape, lay it down and just put them on top, and then fold the Gorilla Tape up into like a little parcel, job done.
Yeah, but you know what?
What?
You don't have no Gorilla Tape!
I have somewhere. Job's a good one. They won't all fit in them. So that's what I meant, but I was going to use Gorilla Tape. So we've made them nice and safe for the bin man now. Are you happy? I've done that job for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I don't think it went that far before. That's doing it now, isn't it?
Thank you. That's alright, no problem.
Feel stupid, no?
No, sometimes you have to put it back on and reset it.
Silly Billy.
What?
You.
It's not my fault. Right, the diesel wouldn't come out, but we've sorted it out now. I would just like to, at this point, give a massive thank you to Jim Kerber. I don't know how to say his name. Kerber or Corber. He gave us £50 for fuel, and we really appreciate it, and that's exactly what's going in.
Yeah.
We really needed this right now.
Massive thank you.
I was getting worried we wouldn't even have the money to get to Stafford. So thank you so much, Jim.
£50 and 6p, we got the yard.
The only problem with here is it is extortionate.
Yes.
£1 46 per, what is it, litre?
Litre.
£1.46 per litre.
But we had no choice today, did we?
It's because I think we're quite close to a motorway and it's just one of them rip-off ones. What can you do? Thank you, Jim.
2 pints of milk, please.
Okay.
Thank you. Don't upset him.
He's upset, he's never been as happy. Lay down.
Honey, you're not very good with local wildlife, are you?
I'm fantastic with all bitches. What?